that forecast on the 6th. Chelsea, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning to all of you. Very cool stuff there. We are looking at quiet conditions at the moment. That is going to be changing as the morning progresses. Some spotty showers will start to develop. There's already a few heavier downpours showing up in parts of central Connecticut, moving more from south to north, not necessarily pushing farther east right now, but we will continue to see rain picking up as the morning progresses, and eventually some very heavy rain and stronger thunderstorms can be expected for the afternoon hours. Temperatures are in the mid-50s right now, 55 in Providence, 55 in Newport, 59 in Westerly, with a breeze that's coming in mainly from the southeast, already about 10 to 15 miles per hour in some locations, and some gusts already coming in closer to 30 miles per hour over Block Island. Most of the area seeing around an average of about 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts. And that's really focusing in on the coastal locations. That's also where we have a wind advisory in place beginning at 8 a.m. today, lasting until 7 p.m. this evening. What you're looking at is for these locations south and east of Providence for gusts to be coming in over 40 miles per hour. This is our first rain and wind event since the nor'easter just a couple weeks ago. This is nothing like that. There is the potential for some isolated wind damage, isolated outages. Whenever you get gusty winds like that, there's the potential, but it is much lower than that storm system from just a couple weeks ago. What we're looking at on the satellite radar image right now is a few isolated showers and storms ahead of the frontal system, but all of that rain is still just off to our west, and we'll be tracking this as we head through the early part of the afternoon. This morning, some spotty showers outside, and that continues through about lunchtime. This is stopped now at 1 o'clock, and you can see some very heavy rain. Some isolated thunderstorms will be embedded here with gusty winds. Those gusts in the Providence area, maybe 25 to 35 miles per hour, but potentially higher for areas farthest to the south and east. Even the slight chance of a little spin up, a small tornado will be possible within some of these thunderstorms. The risk is low, but it is there. We'll continue to see this line pushing through during afternoon pickup. You see pockets of some very heavy rain and thunderstorm activity, but over the course of the evening commute, that line continues to push off to the east, and we clear out pretty quickly, and we'll see sunshine for most of the day tomorrow. There's another little potent front that'll come through late tomorrow afternoon, early evening. There's maybe an hour or so window that we get this line crossing through in the late afternoon, early evening hours from west to east, with another round of an isolated downpour and isolated rumble of thunder. From there, we clear out and cooler temperatures settle in for Sunday. In terms of rainfall, most of us in the inch to inch and a half range, but there may be some spots that pick up closer to 2 inches of rain, especially where those thunderstorms set up. That's going to be some torrential rain coming down in brief pockets. We also do have that marginal risk of severe weather, and what that means is our main concern going to be the heavy downpours and the gusty winds, but there is that low risk of a little spin up or a small tornado possible, especially for areas farthest south and east. A few morning showers today, heavier rain and thunderstorms for the afternoon, temperatures in the mid 60s, and then tonight will clear out pretty quickly. Wind calms down, temperatures in the 40s to start the day tomorrow. Tomorrow we see partly sunny conditions. That evening, late afternoon, early evening shower or storm possible, and then we get back into some sunshine on Sunday. Temperatures in the low 50s, mostly cloudy on Monday with a few showers possible. We stay cool into the start of next week with sunshine on Tuesday. Guys?
All right, Chelsea, thanks. Checking some consumer news.